Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up for the week ended November 14th. Indian equity markets continued their decline with the Nifty closing 2.45% lower this week. Nifty is now down more than 10% from its high reached in September and reaching the lowest level since June. The BSE Midcap Index fell 3.6% while the BSE Small Cap Index fell by 4.5% this week. The Bank Nifty was down 2.5% this week. FIIs continued to be net sellers. They sold about Rs 9,700 crores of equities in cash during the week. DIIs net bought equities of around Rs 12,500 crores in cash this week. Among weekly Nifty 50 gainers, trend shares rose by 2.6% during this week. Only 5 out of the Nifty 50 stocks managed to close in the green this week. Among Nifty 50 top losers, Britannia shares declined 14.5% while Asian Paints shares declined 10.3%. Among sectoral gainers, Nifty IT was up 1.6% this week and was the only sector to close in the green. Among sectoral losers, Nifty PSU Banks Index was the top loser, down 6.8% this week. BSE Power, Nifty Metal and the BSE Oil and Gas indices fell about 6% during the week. Among gainers, KNR Constructions shares rose about 5% after the company reported a 310% year-on-year increase in net profit. Zomato shares jump over 8% amid chatter of entry into the Nifty 50 index. Among losers, Britannia shares tumbled more than 14% after the company reported 10% year-on-year decline in net profit. SKF India shares fell about 11% on muted quarterly results. The company saw 84 basis points contraction in margins due to higher trade sales and increase in others' costs. Niva Bupa Health Insurance IPO was oversubscribed 1.9 times. This week one new IPO was launched. Jinka Logistics Solution, which will close on 18th November. Among new listings, Swiggy listed with a premium of 7.7%. Sagility India listed at a premium of 3.5%. Acme Solar Holdings on the other hand listed at a discount of 13.1%. Niva Bupa Health Insurance listed at a premium 5.6%. In key macroeconomic news, China announced that they will cut home purchase deed tax to 1% for first and second home buyers from a current level of as much as 3%. Hezbollah on Wednesday launched a drone swarm attack for the first time targeting Israel's military headquarters. In the US, Republican Party gained majority in the House of Representatives. This gives Donald Trump and the Republican Party complete control of government. US CPI and core CPI were in line with expectations. US core CPI increased 0.3% for a third month and 3.3% from a year ago. Moving to US equity markets, the indices witnessed marginal profit booking from lifetime highs this week. The Nasdaq Composite was down almost 1% for the week. Moving to bond markets, India's 10-year bond yields up by 4 basis points this week to 6.86%. US 10-year bond yields closed at 4.46%, the highest level in the last 30 days. The bond yields are up 42 basis points this month. In this section we discuss select research reports published by our research teams. The same can be accessed on our website. Swiggy has lost ground in its food delivery and quick commerce offerings since FY22. In food delivery it may continue to lag Zomato. The company's sales CAGR is projected to be 26% over the next 3 years. We initiate with a target price of Rs 430 per share. Britannia's second quarter results were significantly below our expectations due to disappointing volume growth. Management plans to reduce grammage and take price hikes. Maintain ad with a target price of Rs 5,650 per share. Our retail research team published a note on Ajmer Realty. As of FY24, the company owns a portfolio of approximately 14 million square feet with a focus on key micro markets like Mumbai and Bangalore. The company has reduced its corporate debt from Rs 566 crore to Rs 283 crore and secured its first private equity deal for the Vikhroli project. We recommend a base case fair value of Rs 1,039 per share. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. The securities discussed in the presentation were for information and educational purposes only. Thank you.